Hello guys, welcome to today's class. In today's video, we'll be learning contractions in English. Contractions are words made by shortening and combining two or more words, usually with an apostrophe. You can see them, apostrophe. When these words are combined, certain letters will disappear. You can lose just one letter or more depending on the contraction. Okay, so we use contractions for both written and oral communication. So let's dive into the contractions. These are the contracted form and these are the uncontracted form. That is the meaning of this one. So the first one we have is heed. Heed means he had, or it also means he would. Then we have I'll, meaning I will. We have might have, meaning might have. We have that's, which means that is. We also have weave. Uncontracted form is we have. Let's, meaning let us. Who did or who had. Then let's go to the negative. These ones I call, these first ones are the positive and these ones are the negative. So this one is aren't, are not, daren't, meaning dare not. Take it again. Daren't, meaning dare not. Then we have won't, meaning will not, won't, will not. Then we have mustn't, must not. So let's look at some sentences using contractions. So we have the first one, we said, we've been waiting for you. We've been waiting for you. You can see the contraction here, which means we have. So the uncontracted form is we have been waiting for you. We've been waiting for you. Number 2, David isn't as hungry as you think. David isn't as hungry as you think. The isn't here is a contraction, which means is not. So David is not as hungry as you think. Is not. Then let's go to the number 3. Let's pay Musa a visit. Let's pay Musa a visit. Let's here means let us. So then we're saying let us pay Musa a visit. Means let us pay Musa a visit. So let's pay Musa a visit. Number 4, she daren't argue with the judge, else she'll be penalized. I take it again. She daren't argue with the judge, else she'll be penalized. We have daren't here, a contracted form, which means dare not. And we also have she'll, meaning she will. So let's take it in the uncontracted form. She dare not argue with the judge, else she will be penalized. So let me take the contracted form again. She daren't argue with the judge, else she'll be penalized. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and you can check for more words in the comments section. Thank you.